Hospitality establishments in the UK will open to the public in July. However, due to the pandemic, businesses are required to comply with government guidelines to provide services. Guidelines state that social distancing and minimised contact will be necessary to reduce the spread of coronavirus. Businesses should operate to reduce contact between staff and customers wherever possible.
Have to have someone on host who comes in, and you have to ask them to sanitise their hands, explain the rules, inform them about the test and trace that they have to do, which some people like to do, other people don't.
The NHS contact tracing will be mandatory to be served and operating in all bars, cafes and restaurants.
The test and trace, people are a bit lazy, a bit hesitant to do it because they're worried about the government having their details.
All operating establishments must introduce stricter hygiene regulations. Staff must respect the 1 metre plus rule and wear personal protective equipment when delivering food and drinks.
Obviously it's quite daunting, but with the new schemes that our company has put into place, I feel like we're all very safe. We're doing the best we can to reduce contact and make sure that everyone gets to have fun without putting anyone at risk.
Businesses are encouraging customers to use online apps to order table service. Many breweries and pub chains are now offering takeaway services too. Venues will be limited to the capacity that complies with government-issued guidance.
Because people didn't really know what to expect. I think people were still quite wary as well to go out. But I think as the kind of everything is slowly starting to change, we have been getting a lot busier, and people realise it's not as scary to go out, and there are measures in place that people can follow.
Businesses are required to comply with government guidelines to provide services. Those who do not comply may be closed down if deemed necessary by local health protective officials.